Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican Christmas kitchen. Welcome once more. It is also the Jamaican cooking journey. Tons and tons of you who are new right on over here. Let me extend a special welcome, compliments of the season to you. Thank you so very much. Those of you who are there with me from the beginning and you're still here, compliments of the season. Now, this video is yet another caring and sharing. I did a sorrel cake the other day and I showed you that the main ingredients was the sorrel puree. People were asking for the sorrel puree. People wanted to know, Debbie, how do I do it? How do you think I did it? How do you think I did it? Well, let me show you how I did it. Now you have your sorrel right here. Your sorrel should be washed. You all know that. You want to choose the darkest red sorrel you can get, because you will get that perfect red liquid. Some of them not so red. Some of them are young sorrel, them pick. Yeah, straight we know that. And all that. So you want to choose the very darkest one. Some are even darker than this. Now to this sorrel, you're not going to put any ginger, nothing, just the sorrel. I hope you're in on this and somebody that, Miss Debbie, how much ginger? Miss, nothing. You're going to have your water boiled and you're going to be pouring a little water over this. You don't want a lot of liquid over this. So you're going to be just pouring like a minimal amount and you're going to be doing this. Okay? Just a small amount, because you're making a puree, so you don't want a lot of water. So you're going to be covering this properly. Leave it to steep 12 for 12 hours or between 10 to 12 hours, or preferably overnight. So you know, as soon as you hold overnight, when you wake up in the morning, you've got to move to it. There is no ginger, there is no nothing to preserve it. And the young lady who asks what happened with, she don't know what happened. There are a lot of people in the comment section who are saying, it seems that if you took too long to refrigerate the sorrel, or you either took too long to put in the rum and the wine. So go again. Follow the watch the video over, follow the instructions. I think that's what happened too. But you know, don't know it go. None of us are perfect. It could happen to anyone else. You understand what I'm saying? And I hope it will come out better this time, sweetie. Let me know. Let me know. Now that you have done that, we have gone ahead and we have done some for you ahead of time. Now when you leave it to steep in the hot water, it will become as soft as this. Look at it. You don't throw a lot of water. I will leave in the description for you the amount of sorrel to the amount of water. Look at this. You notice this as like a syrupy look. The liquid is syrupy. Not throwing a whole heap of water. I'm gonna leave like to how many ounces of sorrel to how much, like cup, you know, the measurement, so you can get it right. Now that has happened, this is cool. So you want to go now, because did you think I used the sorrel that I took the juice from to drink, the sorrel drink, and drink it and the trash? No, I did not do that. You will never get any taste in that sorrel cake. Who thought I did that? Talk it truth and tell me. So we are going to be putting in some of this. So we're going to go off camera and put this in, because if there's a mess, we don't want to have too much mess on the video. Okay, family? Okay, now family, now that you have put in some of the sorrel pulps, you have this liquidy thing. Look at it. That is how strong you want it to make it look like syrup already. So you're not going to put a lot, because this already has some moisture in there. If you're doing a lot, you'll need to do it in batches, depending on the size of your processor. You can also do it in your blender, because you have some blender are really powerful. You can use the puree mode on it. So we are going to be putting in not too much of a liquid. I hope I did not put too much in there. And you're going to have, because you know this thing control what size, some size, so we want it the finest. So you also want to make sure that your food processor is locked. I'm not sure if it's locked. Let me check, because it has a special way to lock. Okay, that's locked now. Right here is locked, up there is locked, everything locked. So you're going to be doing it now a little on the low first. We're making a puree. Go on high. Drop a little. This thing goes really fast. It works fast. Look at it. This is what you want. You want to look at it. This is too watery, so you're going to put some more of the pulps. I hope you're looking at what I'm doing, family, so you're to get the right consistency of the puree. You don't want it too water, so make we put in a little more pulp. So we're going to be going again. Locked, locked. On high this time. Let's look. This is what we have. This is what we have. That's the puree. Okay? This is your perfect homemade sorrel puree. We soon come, we're gonna get some put for you all served up and let you see what happens. This is the color. This is what you have. If you get the redder sorrel, this is the color you will get. Darker, it will be darker. Okay, the one that I did for the cake was really dark red, so I got that. But it doesn't matter. Your cake might just be a little less lighter, but you will have that strength of the sorrel. We soon come. Okay, now family, this is it. Your very, very own homemade sorrel puree. Okay, when you leave it, it will froth. Remember when you dry your sorrel and everything, it always has this froth at the top. First you shake it up and all of that. So this is how it is. Now at this point here, you can use it for your cake. You can use it for whatever you want in baking. Now you can put this also through another process to make some glaze for your ham, for your pork leg. And also you can, by adding a little spices. Also you can put a little sugar and a little vanilla and stuff, and you can make yourself some homemade sorrel sundae topping. Okay, putting it through another process, okay, for each one. I'll probably show that to you in another video sometime to come. And all of those who would like to look at the richness of it, look at the richness, who would like, this is the strength, this has strength to go into your cake. When you use the one that you take the drink from and drink it and the trash will leave it short, and you do that and make your cake, probably you can do it if you want it, but you're not going to have that beautiful taste as this one. If you have liked this video, please share it with your friends. Please share, like, care. Debbie from Donga Yard, bless, no stress.